Today we're testing the Melisa Michelle Bling on the Glam eyeshadow palette.
Hey everybody, it's McGann with the Melisa Michelle Bling on the Glam eyeshadow palette by Ulta Beauty. This is a super cute little set. Hi world, hi camera. Bling on the Glam with a lot of different glittery colors that I thought looked so much fun. And we've got some fun names like Hey Guys, 100%, Boo Bears, Manifest, Twinsies, Bros, Besties, Oi, and a glitter liquid liner called Dang. My daughter is gonna be our guinea pig today to test all of these colors out, so let's get started. And here's our guinea pig Kairi. We're gonna start with Hey Guys on one eye and Oi on the other. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Just pull your hair back a little.
My cute hair.
That is actually a really nice golden color. It almost looks like a red. I don't know if that's your shirt kind of reflecting it or what, but it is surprisingly a lot more color than I expected for a shimmery look. And then Oi on this side.
Oi!
Oh yeah, that one, we're not going to need a ton of that one, but I'll go over it twice because I've got some extra little pigments floating around in here. Alright, open your eyes. This is Hey Guys and Oi. Just full disclosure, I am just cleaning the brushes out with a makeup towelette. Let me help you, keep your eyes soft. Okay, this red is not wanting to come off, which is not very uncommon for reds after all, but
Reds just love you so much.
they do. They want to stick with you forever. But yeah, so there might be a little bit of blending between the colors, but it shouldn't be anything major because I am cleaning it off. All right, now we're going to do Besties. This is another glittery one, but this one's like a darker reddish color, so
Then it will never come out.
it might not. It's actually more of a pink than a red. We have the Twinsies that's a little more red than this. This one's actually a lot softer than the Hey Guys. I don't know if it's because my brush is a little bit wet or what, but this is not going on as well. Let me try a different brush real quick.
Hey guys.
Alright, look up, close your eyes. I mean, we're getting the glitteriness, but it's really a light shimmer. It's not coming out super well. Oh, let's do 100%. We'll do the super glittery ones last.
Because those are impossible to get out.
No, the glitter ones haven't been so bad, but then this one is not going as well either. So it's a very soft pink. We still have a little tiny bit of the red from the last one carrying over. So again, Besties, 100%. Okay, your eye is like stained pink from that Oi. Maybe that's why this one was on clearance. All right, now let's do Florida, which is a darkish kind of burgundy red. Kind of matches your shirt, but it is not as dark as Oi, so hopefully that means it'll come off easier. Now Twinsies. Okay, this one's crumbling off easy and it is definitely a big color. Whew, this is a lot of color on that. See, some of these I'm like scraping pretty hard and hardly getting any pigment, and then this one was like all the pigments.
It's like, oh, you had trouble with them? Take everything. Looks like you punched me in the face.
No, those aren't as bad as some of them. Some of those brown ones really do look like you got hit if you don't put them on just right. Girl, now you look like you got a black eye. Like you smeared that everywhere.
Yay!
Let me help, let me help. I can see you more than you can see you. It's like up here and down here.
What'd you do?
You did it! You like drug it down across your cheeks.
I got punched.
Alright, let's move on to Rotor Man, which is kind of a pink but pretty nudish color. Oh yeah, that's a nice soft, like flowery pink. Trying to get some pigments on this side. Keep it closed! You want to get punched in the eye with a brush? You just keep that up. Soft eyes, please. No squinchy eyes. Yeah, something like that. Your eyebrows are getting painted now. Yeah, that one's really soft. And we'll do Boo Bears next. I assume that this all has something to do with the terminology she uses, but I have no idea who Melisa Michelle is. I just like cheap clearance makeup.
Yes, we do.
Okay, this is why they're so different, because there's 5 matte eyeshadows, 2 shimmers, 2 metallics, 3 creamy glitter eyeshadows. I think that's the ones on the heart side. The applicator, and then the liquid liner. We'll try the liquid liner last. Alright, we're gonna do Dude, which is like brown and glittery, so give me that towelette. You've left all this pink up here. Alright, let's try again with Dude. Oh gosh, I accidentally like nicked you too close to your bridge of your nose. Now that's gonna be super strange. Man, this is like a luscious glittery brown.
How glittery is it?
It's very dramatic. I gotta get a different brush. That one's too dirty now to continue. All right, now we'll try Manifest on the other side out of the Heart palette. This is not going on very well, and it's not looking very good. I don't know if this is supposed to be like on top of your normal eyeshadow to just add in some glitter, but yeah, I'm not loving Manifest here. I'm trying to cake it on in some layers, but it's just not getting any better on the color end. It's just glitter. Just glitter on glitter on glitter. Alright, now this one, the brown side, I did mess it up towards the front of your eye. That's on me.
So much glitter.
Cleaning brushes is so fun. No, it's really not though. Alright, last two of the regular types of eyeshadow, then we'll try the liquid liner. This one is Bro. Maybe someone can explain these to me and be like, oh yeah, it's supposed to be like blah blah blah, and you put it on top of the eyeshadow or under the eye or something, but what I am getting right now does not look good and I don't like it. Yeah, this one's hardly coming up at all. Like, I'm sitting here like pushing on it kind of hard and all I'm getting are a few glitter specks that come off. Like, it's not wanting to do what it's supposed to do. Well, there we go. I guess I was just supposed to use the applicator sponge there, so here, I'll just use my finger. Let's do the other side. I'll do criss-criss with my finger. For some reason, these are very brush resistant. All right, you know what? Here, close your eyes and look up. I'm gonna do the Manifest again with my finger, but I'm gonna put it like under your eye. It's really because I'm not using a brush, it's gonna look more like football camo makeup kind of stuff, but we'll make it work. It's definitely a lot better with, I guess, the sponge applicator that it comes with. That's probably why it comes with one. So I will take back my immediate criticism that it doesn't come out.
What the heck did you do to me?
I made you beautiful. I made you a glittery goddess.
What am I a goddess of?
Goddess of glitter, obviously.
The glitter that will make you have to burn your house down.
That's true. You're gonna have to sell your face to be able to get away from the glitter, and it's still gonna follow you to your next face. Alright, we'll just try the liquid liner after you get all of that funness wiped down, so that way we can see the glitter liner a lot better. So I feel like glitter on glitter on glitter, it's just like a hat on a hat at that point. Yeah, now that, okay, yeah, there it goes.
Yay!
I was gonna say, yeah, now that I put it on there with my finger, it's like, nope, permanent. Goodbye, Chris, whoever you might be. Okay, well, you still have super glitter cheeks, but hopefully that's not gonna make a big difference. Try to give you a little bit of a cat eye, but I'm not very good at that, so just keep them closed.
I feel it.
Stop! You can't go all giggly schmooks on me. Yeah, if I just paint through your eyelashes, it'll get on both sides at once. Like, if you use the non-glittery eyeshadow, I think that'd be kind of perfect.
Ew.
Okay guys, well this has been the Melisa Michelle Bling on the Glam eyeshadow palette, XOXO Ulta Beauty. We found this on clearance for $10, like I said. I assume that's her on the back, but anyways, let's have a big round of applause for Kairi for being our guinea pig today. And she gets to wash her face and do another eyeshadow palette with me.
Today?
So thanks for watching, everybody. You've been listening to McGann Ramble On, and we'll see you next time with whatever kind of fun video that is.
Bye!
Are you waving the white flag like, I'm so done?
No, it's a rainbow flag technically.
Now it's a rainbow flag.
It's a rainbow flag instead of a white flag.